Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azfarhat bin Azizan. I'm from Group 6. Our project is about tidal energy. We have 7 members in our group. First is me, Muhammad Azfarhat, Hazi Azfar, Muhammad Aiman, Muhammad Akbar Daniel, Fikri Farhan, Muhammad Faiz and Putra Danish. Firstly, I will talk about the objective in our project. First, we will understand the concept of the renewable energy. Second, we will explain the renewable energy correctly and precisely. Third is we may get knowledge about the pros and cons of the project tidal energy. And then the introduction, a small-scale study designed to test and assess the viability and efficiency of tidal energy plants is known as a tidal turbine mini project. Tidal energy is produced by the tides of the ocean, and it can be a reliable and continuous source of clean energy. A tidal turbine mini project's major goal is to demonstrate the viability of small-scale tidal energy systems and to gather information about their efficiency and cost. A tiny tidal turbine must be designed, installed, and monitored as part of the project at a suitable area. A detailed study is also vital for the project to guarantee that the area has the required tidal conditions and little environmental impact. The information gathered during the experiment can help guide ongoing tidal energy research and development and promote the expansion of this new industry. The project can assist spread awareness of the possibilities of tidal energy as a renewable energy source in addition to producing clean energy. The project can aid in the development of this industry and the shift to a low carbon energy future by showcasing the viability and performance of tidal energy systems. Overall, the development of tidal energy as a dependable and sustainable source is advanced by a mini tidal turbine project.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Faiz bin Roslan. Today I want to talk about source of tidal energy. The same technology as wind turbine is used in tidal turbines. The sole distinction is that tidal turbine blades are far more powerful and shorter. So underwater windmills are the best comparison for tidal turbines. The turbine should ideally be turned by water currents. A shaft connects the generator with the turbine. As a result, the shaft likewise rotates with the turbine, and an electrical generator is started by the turning shaft. This tidal stream system has a hefty initial investment, not to mention challenging maintenance requirements. However, compared to other tidal technologies, it is still a less expensive option and doesn't harm the environment.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Putra Danish and I'm going to talk about advantage of alternative energy. For the first advantage is reduced battery use. The battery can be charged repeatedly, hence there is no need to new batteries. Second, master a little system first. Just as learning how to operate your system in daily life is made easier by having fewer pieces in your system. With your little turbine working for you, you can control a bigger system considerably more swiftly and stress-free. Next, scale a small wind power system at your own pace. Just because you starting with a small wind turbine for domestic uses does not mean your system has to stay modest. After seeing that one wind turbine is capable of, you can imagine what 2 or 3 of them can do for you. The next advantage is mini tidal turbine maintenance is easy. Tidal turbine maintenance is not that difficult. Low cost and modest maintenance is provided. Next advantage is easier troubleshooting with a small turbine. Like the first two reasons on our list, a wave power conversion system with favor component make it much easier to discover any problems should they ever occur. By removing the multiple variables of a linear system, you can concentrate on the individual component of your system, diagnose issue more quickly and get back up and running. This will help you. The next advantage is may employ emergency hour, such as when the electricity is turned off. A small tidal turbine generator can illuminate a number light bulb. And the last advantage is low initial cost. Novice may operate a tidal wind turbine for a relatively low cost. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akbari Samsudin. My number is AA220233. Today I want to talk about disadvantages of tidal energy. Despite of many benefits of tidal energy, there are a few significant drawbacks that might cause malfunction, and in the worst is malfunction, is breakdown. They include, the first is the wind speed affect the tiny project. The light bulb's brightness may change depending on how powerful of the tidal's kinetic energy is. The lighting shine brighter amid heavier winds. There will be periods when there is no tidal. As a result, the tidal's blade won't revolve and won't generate any electricity, which prevent the light bulb from turning on. Due the use of DIY materials, it is delicate. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Amizi. I will talk about system design of tidal energy. The main goal of this project is to use tidal energy to produce power that can be used to turn on a lighting. Therefore, employing tidal energy to light up our LED aquarium at night is the most practical and simple use of this project that may be taken into consideration. This technique is effective because it allows us to avoid spending money to buy battery, and since it uses less electricity. This can be accomplished by positioning two miniature turbine inside of our aquarium to capture the tidal kinetic energy. The aquarium and the turbine will be wired together. The tidal turbine will produce electricity and transmit it to the circuit. The LED that we have connected to the circuit on our aquarium will then be activated, and since the turbine can only provide a limited amount of energy to illuminate a LED in a mini circuit, we can only use it to illuminate of our area of the aquarium.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Haziq Asfar. I will talk about application of tidal energy in real world. A tidal turbine mini project operating system is as follows. 1. The tidal turbine purpose is to transform the kinetic energy of the tides in the ocean into electrical energy. A generator is driven by the turbine's rotating blades, which revolve as the water flows through them and produce energy. Number 2, power generation. A cable collects and transmits in the electricity produced by the tidal turbine to a collection system, such as a subsea cable or an onshore electrical grid. The energy can subsequently be used to run buildings or companies, or it can be returned to the electrical system. Number 3, control system. Tidal circumstances are considered when operating the tidal turbines. Control system which monitors and modifies operation of the turbine as necessary by automatically shutting down the turbine in the event of bad weather or other dangerous circumstances. The control system also safeguards the safety of the turbine. Number 4, monitoring and data gathering. The tidal turbine is outfitted with sensors and monitoring gear that gather information on its operation and effects on the environment. This information is used to assess the tidal turbine's efficiency and efficiency and to guide potential future enhancements.
My name is Fikifan Lazana. I want to present for our calculation. Our energy needs can probably be met by tidal energy. In addition to meeting our energy needs, it also offers a brand new form of energy that can last without having a negative influence on the environment. Tidal turbine can use the tidal to generate power as long as the tide exists. Double mode generation can create the power generation that can satisfy the local demand. According to the result of study that looked at 3 different generator modes, heavy flood and double the tidal range, however, has become a problem because Malaysia tides don't match the minimum standard for tidal barrage, necessitating the investigation of alternative method of observe for raising the water level.